Next, come to the next sum. So it is verbal problem. It carries 4 marks for your annual examination, right? So a motorboat whose speed is 18 kilometer per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 kilometer upstreams then to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. I'll repeat the question once again. A motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream then to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. Right? So it carries 4 marks for your annual examination. So it is very, very important. See, let the speed of the stream be x kilometer per hour, right? Consider the speed of the stream be x kilometer, so the speed of the boat upstream, which is equals to 18 minus x kilometer per hour, right? According to given problem, so let the speed of the stream be x kilometer per hour, so the speed of the motorboat upstream, which is equals to 18 kilometer per hour minus 18 minus x kilometer per hour, and the speed of the motor boat downstream is 18 plus x kilometer per hour, right? So let the speed of the stream be x kilometer per hour, the speed of the boat upstream is 18 minus x kilometer per hour, and speed of the boat downstream, which is equals to 18 plus x kilometer per hour. So the time taken to go upstream, so we know that time is equals to distance by speed. So speed equals distance by time taken. So here we have the time taken to go upstream, which is equals to distance by 20 speed, which is equals to, so the total distance is 24 divided by, so the time taken to go upstream, so that is 24 by 18 minus x. So the distance is 24 and the speed of the boat upstream is 18 minus x. So 24 by 18 minus x hour. So the time, similarly the time taken to go downstream, that is distance divided by speed. So we know that the total distance is 24 and the speed of the motorboat downstream, it is 18 plus x. So the time taken to go downstream, which is equals to 24 by 18 plus x hours, right? So according to question, see 24 by 18 minus x minus 24 by 18 plus x, which is equals to 1, right? Because a motorboat whose speed is 18 kilometer per hour in still water takes 1 hour. So according to the given question, so 24 by 18 minus x minus 24 by 18 plus x, which is equals to 1 hour. Is it clear to all children? So now, so here 24 by 18 minus x minus 24 by 18 plus x, which is equals to 1. So by taking LCM from denominators, here the given denominators are 18 minus x and 18 plus x. So the LCM of 18 minus x and 18 plus x, which is equals to, see this is 18 plus x and 18 minus x, which is equals to, see this is we can compare the given LCM into first term. So the first term is 24 by 18 minus x. So here the missing factor is 18 plus x. So we should take multiply 18 plus x on both numerator and denominator. We get see 24 into, when we multiply 18 plus x, the missing factor 18 plus x into the numerator, we get 24 into 18 plus x minus instead of 18 plus x, here we have missing term 18 plus x, and the missing term, missing factor is 18 minus x. So that is when we multiply 18 minus x on numerator, we get see, this is 24 into, instead of 18 plus x, we take 18 minus x whole divided by, see the given factors and the given LCM 18 plus x into 18 minus x, which is equals to 1. When we multiply 24 into 18, we get 432. So this is plus into plus, 24 into x, 24x, and when we multiply these minus into plus, this is minus, so 24 into 18 again will get, this is minus for 432, and minus into minus, it is plus 24 into x, 24x, divided by, see, is of form a plus b and a minus b. So a plus, we know that the factors of a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. When we multiply, see, this is first term into second term, this is 18 into second factor 18 plus x, minus this minus second in first factor second term minus x into then second factor 18 plus x. When we multiply, see, 18 into 18 plus x minus x into 18 plus x. So this is see, plus 4 in numerator, plus 432 minus 432 gets cancelled. Then remaining, see, 20 plus 24x and plus 24. When we had this, see, plus into plus, 24 plus 24, it is 48. X is equals to 1. In denominator, see, when we multiply 18 into 18, we get to 324. So plus into plus, 18 into x, 18x. So this is minus into plus, minus 18 into x, 18x, minus into minus, and x into when we multiply minus into minus into plus, it is minus, then x into x, x square is equals to 1. So here, see, plus 18x minus 18x gets cancelled, then remaining, so 48 by 48x all divided by, this is 324 minus remaining x square is equals to 1. Here we have denominator 1. By doing cross multiplication, we get, see, 48 into x into 1, it is 48x, which is equals to, so the full this complete term into 1, we get, so 324 minus x square. So when we transpose this minus x square from RHS to LHS, we get, see, minus x square becomes plus x square. So this is 48x. When we transpose this plus 324 from RHS to LHS, we get, see, plus 324 becomes minus 324 is equals to 0. So is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, where a is 1 and the coefficient of x is 48, that is b value. So the value of b is here 48 and the constant term c is minus 324. This is minus 324, right? So is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, where the coefficient of x square is 1, that is a equals 1. The coefficient of b is 48. So b is 48 and the coefficient of c is minus 324. Okay, is it clear to all? Now we know that by quadratic formula, yes, by quadratic formula, x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, right? So this is known as quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. When we substitute b is plus 48 plus or minus square root of, we know that the value of b is 48 whole square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is minus 324 whole divided by 2 into where a is 1. When we substitute a is 1 and b is 48 and c is minus 324 to the given quadratic formula, we get x is equals to c. Instead of b we take minus into 48 plus or minus square root of, we know that the value of b is 48, so 48 whole square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is minus 324 whole divided by 2 into a is 1. So therefore x is equals to minus 48 plus or minus square root when we multiply twice, when we multiply 48 into twice, we get see 48 into 48, this is 234, 2304, that is 2304. See, this is minus into plus minus, minus into again multiply minus, so minus into minus it is plus, so 4 ones are 4. When we multiply 4 into 324, we get 1296 whole divided by 2 ones are 2. Therefore x is equals to minus 48 plus or minus square root of, when we had these two, we get 3600 whole divided by 2. Therefore x is equals to minus 48 plus or minus, this is square root of 3600, it is a perfect square root of 60, so instead of root of 3600 we take 60. Therefore x is equals to minus 48, if I take plus 60 whole divided by 2, we get, when we subtract minus 48 from 60, we get 12. So 12 by 2, it is 2 ones 2 6. When we divide 12 by 2, we get 2 ones 2 6 12. Therefore x is equals to plus 6 kilometer per hour. If I take see, x is equals to minus 48, instead of plus we should take, we need to find the other root, so that is minus 60 whole divided by 2. When we had these two, minus 48 and minus 60, we get minus 108 divided by 2. So we get, see, after division we get 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. So this is minus 54. Since x is the speed of the stream, it cannot be negative, right? Since x is the speed of the stream, we get here x is equals to minus 54, so it cannot be negative, speed cannot be negative. Therefore, so we ignore the root minus 54, so we take x is equals to 6. Therefore the speed of the stream has 6 kilometer per hour, right? Hence we get the speed of the stream has 6 kilometer per hour. Is this understood? Okay, we'll continue in the next class. Thank you one and all children.